Hello everyone. Monday, December 27, 2021. My family and I want to vacation to Banda Aceh. Okay, at 8 in the morning we leave by cars. Yup, in the cars there were me, mom, dad, and my brother. We were on vacation for a week, every long journey until we arrived in the city of Lok Sumawe at 9:15. We stayed at one of the guest house. Why at the guest house? Because it was too late and some hotel did not keep and some were already full. Continue after arriving in the Lok Sumawe, not much documentation because we were tired. The next morning at 8:30 we continued our journey to Aceh for quit. A long time because it took 12 to 13 hours of travel. Before arriving in Banda Aceh, we passed several cities. Pangkalan Brandan, Kota Langsa, Lok Sumawe, Biren, Kota Sigli, and then Banda Aceh. At 1:15 in afternoon, we arrived in Banda Aceh. When we arrived, we immediately went to buy ticket for the harbor crossing to Sabang. The name was Ulelehue Port. After buying our ticket to the beach because of the Widata place, not long after 4:30 in the afternoon, we head to the floating ship museum. This is a must visit place because there were a lot of events from the Aceh tsunami in the past. Just imagine a very hot location in the sea far from residential area. This ship is one of the monuments for generating electric. The incident happened on the 26th of December 2004. This ship was endangered by a tidal wave as high as 9 meters, shifted to the middle of a residential area for 5 kilometers. Now that ship is in the middle of a resident house. Then the government bought the PLTD Agung to become a physical for education tourists to conglomerate the visiting the facilities caused low the tsunami around it. The walls were built like whoops of water. After seeing the incident, the floating ship and quit. A lot of documenting. We move to the next page. This plan was donation by the people of Aceh to Indonesia during the struggle for independence or the first plan. This plan was bought from a donation from the people of Aceh named Sewulawah. This moment is location in Blang Padang, Aceh. The Maghrib call to pray arrived. We immediately went to the Baitur Rahman Grand Mosque. This mosque had an incident when the tsunami was the only one that survived the disaster. It only had cracks in the walls of the mosque and the tower had a slight slope. During the tsunami, this mosque was used as a temporary shelter for victims for displaced people. The next morning, we leave for the ferry port to Sabang, a 3-hour boat ride. Arriving in Sabang, we head to kilometer 0 Indonesia. From the port to point 0 on our way, the route has many been guys, right at the end of Indonesia. At the top of this monument, there is a statue of an eagle that bore the number 0. The rencong contained in the monument is a typical weapon of the people in the state of Indonesia. Independent, this monument has 4 pillars from Sabang to Aceh, Merauke to Miamas, to road not far from here. The famous island is Weh, which is most often visited by snorkeling tourists in the sea because inside there are photo spots and fish trails. And then thank you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe ya. Thank you for watching.